devil.com. Welcome back to my channel, and for the new guys, hey, welcome recruits. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Here it is. We're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly, and we're also going to be doing the mic test. So stay tuned. Later. Alright guys, so we're back. Alright, so we're going to be talking about the good. What is the good about these earbuds? Okay, the good about these earbuds basically comes with multi-colors, guys. So if you go to Samsung's website or maybe on Amazon, you're gonna be finding that they got like red, blue, some hot pink. So they got multi-colors. That's what I really like about these earbuds. As you can see, I got the black ones and they look pretty good. They're actually pretty lightweight too, guys. I don't know all the functions that these earbuds actually have in it. They're pretty lightweight. No, to me. They also come with a Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, and SBC technology. So what that means to you guys, and what that means to me, it has basically the latest and greatest of Bluetooth, so you can have a really good Bluetooth connection. For the battery, you actually have 11 hours, and with the charging case, you're gonna have 22 hours of playtime. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's amazing that how tiny they are, how flush they are. They actually have 11 hours of playtime and 22 with the case. That's pretty good. Also, it comes with a wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charger, guys, you could go ahead and put them on top of your wireless charger, and it'll start charging with no issues. Also, it comes with touch control, guys. So you just gotta touch it or tap it, and right away, that's how you control all the modes for these earbuds. You have the ambient noise, skip forward, skip back. So basically, you could do everything. What I mean, everything: forward track, back track, volume up, volume down. So it has everything, and you could do it the way that you want to. That's pretty good. That's pretty good that actually Samsung has done that in this small factor. Alright, also it has some kind of accelerometers. I don't know how it works. Maybe it works with the touch. But it also has ear detection, guys. And every earbud should have this by now. So basically, what that means is like when you take it out, the music stops, or the movie stops, and then when you put it back in, it detects it in the ear, and the music starts. So that's pretty good. It also has the master-slave technology. Well, I call it the master-slave technology, but basically what it is that you can use your earbuds independently. So that means you don't want to use the right one. Hey, take it out, put it in, whatever it is, but you can use the earbuds independently. So that's really good, and every earbud should have that by now. It comes with a whole bunch of wing tips and ear tips. The one thing I gotta tell you guys is that when the wing tips and the ear tips, you gotta make sure you select the right one. The best. Try them all and see which is the best ones for you. For me, the wing tips, they were sticking the speakers of the earbuds too far out, so the music sounded too far back and the bass sounded too muddy. But once I changed that, what I did, I got the bigger ear tip, and then I got the smaller wing tip that they have. It looked like a rubber band. That actually made a really good fit on my ear, and the bass sounded good, and the music sounded outstanding. So now, since when the music, basically the soundstage for this earbud sounds nice in a medium-sized room, nice and open, medium-sized room. Like I said, it has the voice is clear, the mids are good, the trebles is clear and crisp, and the bass is not an overwhelming bass, but it has a nice bass that actually balances everything out. So whenever bass needs to be there, it'll be there, guys. So it's a really good sound earbuds, guys, and you're not gonna regret it. They're pretty good. All right. It also have passive noise cancellation. So basically, with the seal of the ear tips, guys, it has a nice passive. So it gives you about I want to say like 30%, ambient passive noise cancellation. Plus, what makes it the best, and this is one of the best features that these earbuds have, is that you have the ambient mode. So basically, you just hold it, and you could hear your surroundings right away. You hold it, or you press it one more time. I hold it, you know, it clears all your surroundings. So it has a really good ambient mode, and every earbud should have this by now, especially for the no, the tag price. So, and I love it. I love these earbuds because they bring that. Also, another thing that Samsung has is the app support. So you have like EQ settings, within Samsung's app support, guys, and basically you can control everything. It has a different presets that you can control for more bass, and whatever it is that you like. For me, I think it was acoustics that had a select. I'm not sure, but I will do a review for the app after this, soon enough after this video, and I'll show you what are my settings that I have in my earbuds, guys. But it has an app support. It also has a two speakers basically in the earbuds, guys, for like rich sounds, and the sounds are really rich, and you will enjoy it, and the bass is nice on balance, and you're gonna like that too. It also has a triple mic basically for clear calls. So what we're gonna do today, guys, since we're already here talking about the mics, we're gonna go ahead and do the mic test, and you guys will be the judge, and you guys will let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some background noise, like coffee shop background noise, and let's see if we could hear the difference. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I think the mics are on right now. I don't know how well it's picking up my voice right now. I don't know if you could hear my surroundings. I don't know if you could hear my little fan that I have in my bathroom on the background. Let's stay quiet for a little bit. Yeah, and you probably can. I don't know. You could hear my floor squeaking when I walk and turn on the ambient noise, the background noise. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the background noise on my computer. Oh, I'm gonna put it 100%. It's gonna be basically a coffee shop, and let's see how it sounds. All right, stand by, wait for a little bit. There goes my floor squeaking, and there goes the background noise, the coffee shop. Let's stay quiet for a little bit. Let's see if you can hear it. Hopefully, picking up my voice very well. This is how it sounds like if you pick up a phone call and talking to your family or friends. Hopefully, it's doing a pretty good job. All right, let's go ahead and turn that off to have a comparison. And we'll continue our review. All right, stay, don't go anywhere. All right, there's no more background noise. There goes my floor squeaking again. Here I am. Hopefully speaking on my voice pretty well. All right, let's go ahead and turn off the mics. All right, guys. So this is how it sounds without the mics being on. Let's go ahead and turn on the background noise. I should have left it on for you guys and see what's the difference, the comparison. So that's how it sounds without the mics being on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Test. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off one more time. All right, guys. So basically that's the test, the mic test. So let's go ahead and continue with the video. Let's go ahead and turn this off. All right, let's go ahead and continue with the video. So okay, so we have all these good things, right? So what is the bad, Phil? Phil, we want to know what is the bad. All right, guys. So for the bad, I had to really think about this, guys, for this earbuds, because there's not much bad things to say about the Galaxy Buds Plus. So so basically, the bad for these earbuds is basically you don't have no ANC, which is active noise cancellation, look, guys. So you don't have no active noise cancellation, but I think active noise cancellation is overrated, guys. You just need passive. So no active noise cancellation. Maybe more battery life instead of overall 22 hours, maybe 30 hours. That'll be nice, and keeping the same profile of the of the case, that'll be nice. Oh, because the case is pretty small, guys, and it fits in your coin pocket. So if they could keep this design right here and no, make it 30 hours, wow, perfect. That'll be amazing. Oh, the other bad thing that I had to think about is basically the volume. So I'm used to listening to my music at 60%. I get this certain volume quality and bass quality when I use them. Oh, for this one, instead of using 60% like every other earbuds I have used, I've tested, oh, this one I have to put it between 70 and 80% to be able to get the quality of music that I'm used to. So maybe a little bit more volume would have been nice for these Galaxy earbuds, and hopefully we'll see them in the next generation. That'll be nice. And maybe more bass. I'm a bass head. I love the bass. I like the rumbling, so maybe more bass. I mean, it has really good bass out of the box. Oh, and I'm not complaining about it because it's nice and balanced bass that you get from this right now, and it's good. And but maybe more bass. You know, I like the rumble. The other bad thing that I had to kind of think about it was basically the case is too glossy, so a lot of fingerprints all around. But overall, the quality of this whole case is very good, strong. It feels a little bit heavy, but like really good quality. Oh, so yeah, there's nothing. So yeah, too glossy, I guess that's a bad thing. Okay, the other really bad thing is, and I wish they would have made it a little bit higher, is the water rating. So the water rating for this is actually APX2, so it's a little bit on the lower side compared to other earbuds. They're usually in the rating of 4. So basically it's water resistant, sweat resistant when you're working out, but that's about it. Don't get them in the rain, don't get them in the pool, because you might damage them. So it has a really low, that's in the low side for AP rating, APX rating. So that kind of sucks. Oh, now what is the ugly, guys? Oh, about ugly for these earbuds, there's nothing ugly about these earbuds, guys. I love the design. I mean, I love the Apple design too, the pros, but you know, Galaxy has done a very good engineering for these earbuds, guys. They look flush, they look stylish, they look good for everyday drivers. So I have no complaints about the looks and the design of the earbuds. So to me, they're pretty good. Okay, what is my thoughts? What is my final decision on these earbuds, guys? Well, my final decision, they're really good earbuds, guys. I really like them. I'm falling in love with them. Oh, I think I'm thinking about making my daily driver because it has everything that I want, guys. All the mods, all the features that I like, and it has a really good animation on your phone too, just like what Apple does. So that's pretty good, guys. Oh, and I really like. I wish I had a little bit more bass, like what I like to hear, but it's good enough for me to been thinking about making this my daily drivers. So overall, guys, for the price, guys, I think you could get them for, I think it's $149. I might be wrong. I'll probably post it somewhere here. And but I think it's $149. But the new ones are coming up soon, so you probably want to hold back a little bit and see what the new ones are like. But this one might drop price too. So I'll go ahead and post the price somewhere here or in the comments below for you guys. But overall, guys, my decisions for these earbuds right here, I want to say I'm not even try. They're really good quality. They feel good. The design is insanely good. The music quality is on par, nice and balanced, crazy. Everything is good about these earbuds, guys. All right, guys. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe someone over here, guys. And let's do it one more time. Be safe, stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Ladies.